6:13 this morning, and this is still just a disturbance, not a tropical depression yet. And that's actually a good thing. The longer this goes without forming, the better, because the less time it will have to strengthen and before it moves on to land. So the winds will be weaker the longer it takes to form. That said, once this thing does form, we do think it'll probably be intensifying pretty quickly. Pretty much the only thing limiting this thing right now has been some wind shear. The water is so warm out here. As soon as that wind shear goes away, this could strengthen very quickly. Right now, just 30-mile-per-hour sustained winds. But if those hit 35, it will be classified as a tropical depression. And we do fully anticipate that will happen. As it stands right now, as long as it forms by early this afternoon, we do think that this will still become a hurricane just before making landfall. Again, becoming at least a strong tropical storm, maybe a weak Category 1 hurricane. Still a tropical storm as it moves over Louisiana and then just weakening back to a tropical depression. The winds won't be an issue once you get to Arkansas or Missouri, but I still think there could be flooding. This is going to be a rainmaker more than anything, because look at the timing. From here to here is 24 hours. That's 24 hours with heavy rain coming down. Again, the landfall looks like right now, probably Saturday afternoon sometime. And there will be wind damage. There'll probably be some tornadoes mixed in. There's going to be storm surge in the center and eastern side of the storm. That's part of the story, but how slow the storm is moving and the amount of rain it's going to be dumping, it's going to be tremendous. And most of the state of Louisiana is probably going to see some flash flooding, and some are going to see some extreme flash flooding, I'm afraid to say. Meanwhile, we have rain chances, but we're not worried about flooding. I do think most of the day will be partly cloudy, at times mostly sunny skies. I think the clouds will probably get thicker as we go through the day, because as we get into the afternoon, some isolated showers and storms will start popping up. It may take a while, but around 2 o'clock this afternoon is when I think the rain chance will begin. Probably the best chance is going to be late afternoon hours. Notice there's still a lot of gaps. There are going to be people missing out on the rain, but there's still a chance of rain tonight as well. Still the opportunity for seeing a few showers and perhaps a couple of thunderstorms. We jump ahead to tomorrow morning, pretty quiet. I wouldn't rule out a stray light shower, especially near the coast, but I still think the best chance is going to be as we get into the afternoon hours. Around lunchtime, there's still going to be a sea breeze effect, and it's going to be enhanced by that disturbance, which tomorrow is going to be a little bit closer to us. So I think a little bit better chance of rain for tomorrow. Again, it looks like mid to late afternoon, the best chance. I can't rule out a stray shower or storm in the early evening hours, but it does look like by the late evening, everything will quiet down. So we'll keep a small chance in there for your Friday evening plans of seeing rain, but I think the best chance of rain tomorrow is going to be during the mid and late afternoon hours. Dry this morning with mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, but eventually by the late afternoon, I do think skies will become mostly cloudy. Still going to be hot. Highs around 98, but not as hot as yesterday. Isolated showers and storms in the afternoon, and still a chance for isolated showers and storms tonight. Many will probably stay dry tonight, but there is going to be some rain around, mostly cloudy skies with lows around 78. Looking ahead, First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Scattered showers and storms tomorrow, a little bit in the morning, a little bit better chance the afternoon. Everything ends in the evening hours. Got to leave in a very small chance of rain Saturday and Sunday. Looks like a very weak sea breeze, a 10% chance of seeing showers, mainly near the coast. But look how those temperatures go right back up, and it's dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And though we get a couple days in the mid-90s, it's mainly going to be the upper 90s and as hot as 100 on Saturday.